Welcome back to Paxzone Travel Channel. Today's episode I'm going to take you to one of the most remote places in Europe and one of the youngest countries actually, to North Macedonia, to Skopje. Now you follow me. Reaching the border. We're just reaching the border of North Macedonia. So guys, we just did the first stop after driving 2 hours at a gas station here behind me. Not so super beautiful, but it's surrounded by mountains. And we're gonna have a coffee break or a smoker break. And our guy is very funny. He's from Bulgaria but lived a while in the US and has this old Irish English, very funny. It's a bit hard to grab it, but if you get used to it, it's okay. And he's very funny.
Recommended that.
So guys, we just passed the border into North Macedonia and our friendly guide is just enjoying his melon.
Yes.
And can you get us the noises again? Like this like You're making love to the melon, right?
All fruits.
Making love to the melon.
Yeah. This is basic instinct of North Macedonia. Okay, this is our friend Justin here from New York, and he's also enjoying his cherry.
Cherries?
Give it to me. Oh, love it, man. Elvis Presley is still alive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Love me, Sandy. Love me true. Never let me go.
Hey.
Right.
You have made my life.
So we just entered the center of Skopje, and our Bulgarian guide just taking a break, and we swapped now to our North Macedonian lady guide. And yeah, so let me show you the first pictures of Skopje. If you think these buildings are old, you're wrong. Because in 1963 there was a big earthquake who destroyed the entire city, and these buildings are neoclassicism, so they're only like 10 years old, 12 years old. And this is the flag of Macedonia, North Macedonia, the yellow and the red. This is, I think, an Italian restaurant on the ship, cruise ship here. Does that remind you of anything, guys? Check out my Paris episode. Arc de Triomphe in Paris, very similar. And the city has a nickname, the city of statues. They're everywhere. The government invested, 2013, they invested 800 million euros for renovation to renovate the city center. We are at the birthhouse of Mother Teresa, the most famous nun who took care of all these millions of poor people in India, in Calcutta. Here's a small Mother Teresa museum on the first floor. Let's check this out. And here to the right is the original birth certificate of Mother Teresa, because other countries claim that she's Kosovo Albanian, but officially she's North Macedonian. This is Mother Teresa in 1983 with Queen Elizabeth from the UK. And here with the German Chancellor Helmut Kohl in '86. And with Nancy and Ronald Reagan in 89. And can't believe it, next to Mother Teresa is the advertisement for Grace Jones. Oh my god, guys, she's lovely, she's awesome. She did the soundtrack for one of the James Bond movies and was playing in it. So, on the horse there is Alexander the Great. I love this city, it's so cool. I don't know, it reminds me of like a totalitarian regime or something. I'm a big fan of this architecture, to be honest. Many people don't like it, but I like it. And the square is pretty cool here. Maybe a little bit of a resemblance to, I don't know, North Korea, Pyongyang. So cool, I love this city. So now I got the point. The city of statues, they are really everywhere. Guys, we have 35 degrees. So guys, we are entering the old town, the former Ottoman Empire, with the bazaar and the old fort and the old Turkish hammam, like a bathhouse. So we're entering the main street and the bazaar. And to my right here is the former Turkish Osman bathhouse. And here you're supposed to get some really good food like kebab or burger. It's very meat oriented, let's say, in most of the Balkan countries, to be honest. But there's always a selection for vegetarians as well. And some places accept credit cards, some don't. So there's a exchange bureau for an exchange here. So this is the gold street. You can buy gold here, jewelry. It's way cheaper than in Bulgaria or mainland Europe. So, where old life meets new life. This is a Bitcoin commercial, I think. This is our beautiful Elena from our tour operator from North Macedonia. And yeah, we had a lovely tour, so check out North Macedonia, Skopje. And do you have anything for tourists to say for coming to Skopje? What should they say? In English, yes.
Well, you are very welcoming to the capital city of Macedonia, or north of Macedonia. The old city, but the city of many statues. You will have a great fun, good food, cheap drinks, and enjoy. We are welcoming for you.
Thank you so much. We loved it. We enjoyed it very much. And can you teach me 2 sentences you taught me before for my intro, for my episode?
Zdravo! Hi!
Zdravo, okay.
And dobre dojdovte, you are welcome to Skopje.
Thank you so much. That was very sweet of you. Thank you. Guys, in case you want to have a lunch, a snack or something, a bite, you can go to, it's called the Kebab tourist place, and they accept cards, cash, euro, everything, and super friendly, English spoken, and very tasty. Here's my friend. What's your name? Faruk.
Yeah.
He's the owner or the manager?
Kind of chief. Chief, because I working here like a 15 years old. When I was in here, I started when I was a kid, too small, like a 12, 11, and like I'm the part of this local.
And
a family local.
Okay, cool,
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
We really loved Macedonia. Skopje is
Oh,
really worth
super,
it. Like,
super.
to be honest, almost even a little bit better than Sofia. It's really cool. And yeah, that's for you.
Everybody say
And the food is really great. Check out this place, and they're really friendly, very charming.
You are welcome
thank you.
always. All of the world can come in here, and it's the Skopje, the city, the Macedonia like a country. It's one of the best countries in the world, I can say, but in Europe, I'm sure.
Yeah, it's-
So city like Skopje, it's very old and have a lot of history. So can come a lot of people because it's too cheap for eat. About the
True,
hotels.
that is true. Way
Everything
cheaper
is
than
very,
Bulgaria.
very good. Yeah, believe me that a lot of people when they come from all of the Europe, they are surprising that how they we have kind of a lot of people in here, a lot of tourists from all of the world, and everybody are happy that
Yeah, everybody's smiling,
we are
that's so
positive
true.
with the people, and
Thank you,
we
man.
love the people, of course.
That's so sweet. Thank you, man. We are leaving Skopje on the way back to Bulgaria. Sofia, another 4-hour drive.
Само ми отвори нищо друго.
Okay guys, we're just being stopped secretly. The police is checking our vehicle, and because we were speeding or something, I don't know. Let's see what's happening. So the policeman asked you for 30 euros for speeding,
Yeah.
but you didn't give the money to him, right?
No.
Okay, because
No, never.
okay.
Baby didn't want, baby.
So it's time to leave beautiful North Macedonia and Skopje. Thank you so much for your hospitality. I was there just a few hours. We just crossed the border back to Bulgaria, and yeah, would like to come back and discover your country. And yeah, if you're in Bulgaria and Sofia, do the day tour at least and check out North Macedonia. It was beautiful.